welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see some of the tricks and shortcuts to solve the high level number series problems which were expected to come in the upcoming examinations. So let's going to see. Today's quote is: a mother is only one who takes all the pain on herself so that her kids don't have to suffer. The main aim behind keeping this image is a majority of the people are wasting their time and fooling their parents, and ultimately they are losing the chances of getting the jobs, and ultimately they are becoming a burden for the parents. So please focus on your studies and don't become a burden for your parents. Be a strength for them. Parents means not the mother, the father also. Here how a father will suffer for giving us all items we need and to fulfill our needs, how the father suffers. Okay, please focus on your studies. Don't waste on your time on xyz things like that, love, etc. Okay, let's moving on to question number one. Here is the question. This is all the questions today we are going to see were only from missing number series with a high level. Just observe the pattern here: 13, 13, 15, 21, and 33. By following the normal pattern, how everyone does, just the difference between these two is 0, and here the difference is 2, and here it is 6, and here it is 12. So generally 90% of the people solve this question by taking the difference of difference, that is difference of 0 and 2 as again 2, and difference of 4 6 as 4, and then 6, so on. Okay, but if you observe this pattern, there will be a very easy, and this question can be solved within one step by observing these numbers. Let's see how this solved. Here just this, the numbers here these numbers were in the pattern of n square minus n. Here the 0 we get here 0 by subtracting 1 from the 1 square. Here 2 square is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, here 3 square is 9, 9 minus 3 is 6. So following the same pattern, here we get 20 by following pattern of 5 square, that is 25 minus 5. Gone the days where uh, the difference is directly identified by doing these methods, as this will take so much of time. In the coming questions, the complexity of the questions is very high, so please watch this video till the end. Moving on to question number 2. Here also just observe the pattern. Here the series which have the numbers as 19, 21, 31, 69, 56. Okay, here the by initially observing the difference can get it as 10, 30, 68, 130, and generally again we go for difference of difference, that is difference between 2, 8, 20, and so on. uh, Later on after this again we can get 2 steps. That for solving this question we are going for 4 steps. Was a blunder mistake, so just observe these numbers. It is 2, 10, 30, 68. Here we get 2 by, that is n cube plus n pattern, that is 1 cube is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 cube is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, and 3 cube 27 plus 3 30, 4 cube 64 plus 4 68, 5 cube 125 plus 5 130, and 6 cube 216 plus 6 put 2. So by adding this we get our answer as 481. So you have to definitely have an idea about this. If you have an about it, you are going to solve this question in that very less time, that is around 30 seconds. If you opt for the method which I was heard earlier, that is traditional method, you will take nearly 2 minutes or more than that only for this question. So please focus on this. Moving on to question number 3. Here the numbers are increasing very fast. Just observe them. Here the numbers were 53, 263, 599, 1103. That is 11. Here it is becoming 4 times, nearly 4 times. Here it is 2 times. Again it is nearly 2 times. So firstly find that by finding the difference between them, we get a pattern like this. Okay, that is the difference between 53 and 263 is 210, and in the same way difference of 263 and 599 is 336. Difference of 11 not 3 and 599 is 504. So just again if we take the difference of this is, here we get it as 226, so on. We have to follow on the 2 steps to get our final answer. Just observe the number here. Here we get 210 by subtracting 6 from the 6 cube, that is 216 minus 6 gives us 210, and here we get it by subtracting 7 from 7 cube. So the pattern for this is n cube minus n. 7 cube is 343 minus 7 gives us this number, and 8 cube is 512, 512 minus 8, 504, and in the same way by following the same pattern, 9 cube is 729 minus 9 from that gives us 720. By adding these to it, our final answer is 823. Moving on to question number 4. You can solve only these questions if you were very focused on your preparation and updating your skills day by day by not wasting your time on unnecessary things. Okay, moving on to question number 4. Yeah, Observe the numbers here: 79, 97, 145, 245, 425. For all the questions, we have to definitely take the first step, that is the difference between these two. Then by observing that, we can get a logic of the pattern which we have to follow for this question. So here the difference of these, like, get it as the difference of these two is 18, and next it is 48. Here it is becoming 100. Here it is 18, and here it is 48. Here it is 100. So it is nearly getting double, near about double every time. Here difference is 180. So we can see, we get the pattern for this as like this: 18, 48, 100, 180. So we get 18 by subtracting 9 from 27, that is 27 is 3 cube minus 9, that is 3 square. Here the pattern for this is n cube minus n square pattern. Here 48 is 64 minus 16, that is 4 cube minus 4 square. Here 100, 125 minus 25. Here 6, sorry, 216 minus 36, get 180. Following the same pattern, 7 cube is 343 minus 49 gives us 294. By adding this to 425, we get our final answer as 719. Let's move on to next question. Uh, Please help me by scanning the QR code below and sending a minimum of 20 rupees, as much as you can. I am requesting you this money because you can't get these skills even by paying thousands of rupees in your institutes, coaching centers. So I am asking you to help you in return, which will help me to make more videos like this and help you back, that is in return. The support from you is very good, but financially was, I need your support a lot. Please, please, please scan it and send. Okay, let's move on to question number 5. Here observe the pattern, that is the numbers given were 91, 91, 99, 108, 172, 197. Okay, observe the difference here. It is 0 and here it is 9. Sorry, it's 8 here and here it is 9. And it increased suddenly here. The difference is 64, and then the difference decreased here more than a half. So here, by observing 0, it can be anything like 1 square minus 1 or 1 cube minus 1. I think Sorry, here it is 90. The difference of this must be 1. Sorry for this. Okay, if we observe this pattern carefully, here 1, 8, 9, 64, 6. Here leave 1 as it can be anything. Here 8 is, we get it as 2 cube, and 9 is 3 square, 64 is 4 cube, 25 is 5 square. So here it is nothing but 1 square, 2 cube, 3 square, 4 cube. Alternate n square and n plus 1 cube following the series. Okay, by following the method, here we get 216, that is cube of 6. By adding these two 197, we get our final answer as 413. So please focus on questions of this type, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch the description, as in the description there were links for the important topics like this. So please subscribe and scan the QR code given and support me financially. Thank you very much for your support. I will meet you in the next video. This is Srikanth Raj signing off. Thank you.